Riley Olness and Craig Holm from R&C Application share how AGCO's factory-integrated technology system on their RoGator C-Series machines from Challenger have enabled them to reduce clutter in the cab, increase productivity, and reduce waste. They also explain how AGCO's integrated rate and section control system is easy to use and reduces operator error.
Craig Holm, R&C Application.
Riley Olness, R&C Application.
We're located in southern Minnesota by New Ulm.
We started off with just Craig was doing his own sprayer. I started helping out more and more, and we sprayed like that for a year or two, and then we're like, hey, let's just buy our own machine and get a whole nother one.
Now we're running a RG 1300C and a RG 1100C, both 120-foot booms. And with the section shutoffs on the RG, these new C-Series sprayers, we can just turn on any planter, just turn and drive right in the planter track, and the right parts of the boom will shut off, and really don't have to worry about where we're driving, just so we get in the planter tracks and try to keep one track going through the whole field. So it's a lot easier to drive them. These machines went through a lot of hell and high water, and they held up.
Yeah, they hold up, and they drive through what they shouldn't be.
And yeah, you wouldn't even be walking in any of it. They're going through it.
So we had a pinpoint system on our previous sprayer, and it was nice and all, but there's just another controller in the cab, more wiring, or this is just all integrated. I don't have to do nothing. I don't have to press any extra buttons. It's just, you just drive wherever you want, and it'll spray what's not sprayed.
Jumping into this, I guess my biggest problem was just overthinking the controller too much. Just push the buttons and let it do it.
It does it for you.
It does it for you. There's really, it's just don't worry about it, it'll do it.
Less operator fatigue.
Right, and even between Riley and I be running these machines, I like my screen, you can set it up different or accommodate each operator.
I've used a lot of different GPSs, different brands, different systems, and the buttons all make sense, the icons all make sense to what it is. I can always have the bottom half of my screen on guidance, so I can always be watching my mapping, picking different lines. Everything has to work together. Well, here, AGCO's the one system's in charge of everything, so it just doesn't matter the mechanic plugging into one system and trying to figure it out. You can keep track of all your chemicals, what you're spraying, the fields, the customers, farm names, everything. You can keep track. It's all in there. I have it all on my computer in the office, and I just load it right in, plug my jump drive in, and it's all there.
Eliminates a lot of operator error. If you can't get near the right row or something happens, you're not overspraying, so you're not getting a chemical overlap where you hurt the current crop, and then you also could really hurt the next year's crop also.